So tonight at my homestead, I'm going to be making some fudge. And this is the easiest fudge there is. So I'm just gonna get a bowl and I'm gonna get something to mix it and scissors. I got all my stuff prepped. You need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You need it to be 14 ounces. You need 1 cup of peanut butter. You need 1 bag of white baking bits, and they have to be 12 ounce. So we're gonna get my scissors, and I'm gonna open the bag. I'm gonna put these in the microwave, and I'm gonna microwave them for 30 seconds until they melt. So we're gonna start the process. When they start to melt, then I'm gonna add my peanut butter. And I have a pan here. It's an 8x8. It has parchment in there. So each time we're going to stir this because they're not melted yet. So we're going to do it again. So I'm going to bring you back when I'm ready to go to the next step. Okay, we're going to add the peanut butter, because they're starting to melt, but I don't want them to seize up. So I think the oil from the peanut butter would help. So I'm going to mix that in. See, that helping to loosen that up because that was all stuck together. So the oil from the peanut butter worked. So back into the microwave until I melt it. You don't want no lumps, so you want to make sure all these chips are melted. So it's going to be a process. So what I'll do is when these are melted, I'll bring you back. Okay, now we're going to put in the sweetened condensed milk. And it's already starting to get thick. And there's a few chips that are not completely melted, but I didn't want it to seize up. It looked like it was getting thick right in the bowl. So what I want to do is just leave them in there. I was hoping that the temp, but it's starting to turn to fudge. So what I'm going to do is just put it right into the pan. I got the Hannaford brand chips. I don't know if that made a difference. Got to get my parchment paper up here. That's hot. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator until this sets up, which won't take long. As you can tell, it's starting to set up now. It's turning real thick. So I'm going to set it in the refrigerator. I'll bring you back when I'm ready to cut it. So you want to score your fudge before it hardens up completely. And it's still warm to touch. So I'm just going to score it and I'm putting it back in. I'm doing like 1 or 2 inch pieces. And that piece with me. Really good. You're gonna hear me sniffle. I got a cold. My husband had it first. So there we go. I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator, and this will probably be ready like an hour or so. So here we go. Here's our fudge. All done. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.